Here's how to turn on clean energy charging on the iPhone. So this is going to be in your battery settings, which will be in your settings. So we got to get there, and then in the top card here, we're going to find battery. And inside of battery, we're going to scroll down to battery health and charging. So we tap on that, we get inside this menu here, and we have clean energy charging here at the bottom. We can toggle this on. If it's green, it's on. If it's green, it's clean. I just thought of that. Don't quote me, right? And the iPhone basically tries to reduce your carbon footprint by selectively charging when lower carbon emission electricity is available. And so basically, when you're charging your phone, the iPhone learns your charging behavior and selectively charges it when that clean energy source is available around your location, as opposed to just kind of charging it through no matter what. So between that and optimized battery charging, those are two things that can reduce your carbon footprint and also maximize the lifespan of your battery. This maximum capacity over time goes down, so not keeping it 100% charged like for 8 hours while you're sleeping helps keep that maximum capacity, so it only charges it to 80%. That's optimized battery charging. Anyway, all these options are kind of options to help with different things, but that's how you can turn on clean energy charging if it's not already turned on for you.